somewhere beneath the stars.
Goodness gracious, that is a tight turn. What is going on, people? It's Talon, TFC, and we are finally back. It's been a little hiatus from the YouTube, and I heard about it at the Denver Fly Fishing Show. You guys made it well known that you wanted some more content. So, that's what I'm doing. It's, think with the temperatures that it's like May. I mean, there's like not even snow on this road right here. So, I am driving up solo right now to a good spot. I'm gonna meet my buddy Brett up here, trouting about on Instagram, if you don't know who he is. But we're gonna be doing a video with the two-man. We got a storm coming in, so hopefully we don't get like 10 inches of snow and stuck in here. But roads are dry right now, so we should be fine. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some floating. We're gonna be doing some swinging, Trout Spey, if you will. That's what everyone likes to call it these days. And we are going to endure the weather that is coming and try to piece together a little video for you guys. Should be a good time. I'm driving in right now. Brett's on his way up. He's like 3 hours behind me, 4 hours behind me. So going in to try to get camp set up. I might get in a little bit of fishing this evening if I'm lucky. And yeah, I'll see you guys at camp. Are you kidding me? He hit so hard. Holy. Oh. First cast. First freaking cast. That's a nice fish. Dude. Are you kidding me? First freaking cast. That's a toad. Oh. First cast of the trip. And I hook that? What even is that? I can't tell if it's a brown or a bow. Wow, that was such a sick grab. It hit so hard. Oh my gosh. It's a nice bow. Oh yeah, dude. I'll take that for the first cast of the trip. What a fish, man. That's awesome. Such a hard grab. Wow. That was great. There we go. I'm in my backing. GoPro's off for a minute. Oh, that was sick. Oh, that is a healthy bow. Oh man. There's some ducks up there. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a stud. What a nice fish. So fat, so healthy. What a evening. My GoPro died, but I just lost an absolute monster. Never even saw it. Fought it for 10 minutes, then just pulled out. Didn't even get to see what it was. Oh, but it was a good evening session. I gotta go get camp built and start to get things put together. So, calling it for the night. But not a bad little 45-minute session. 4 hits. Landed 2, pretty good. But we'll see you back at camp. Oh. It's 6 a.m. Brett got here at like 9:30 last night, and he did not sleep worth a crap with his 30-degree sleeping bag. So he's in the truck warming up. I mean, you can see. Oh my. It's nuking snow. Nuking. That's not horrible.
Across the western sky. Dude, it felt great in there.
Are you warm?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Warm.
You made it.
Made it.
You're alive. What's our plan? Are we gonna go fish? Or are we just gonna sit in here for
So
a
those
bit?
guys that do the dance where they like keep the shirt in one spot. They just hit a little. Hey. But it's nuking.
Oh, brother. It's coming down. Not frozen?
No.
Let's go. We'll have coffee.
We're good. Yeah, dude, the jet boil's money for this.
Coffee!
Rather stronger than
Coffee
not.
can save a man's day, especially in conditions like this. A little coffee shot. Some cinnamon rolls. Some donut holes. Some gaffy.
Mmm.
Yo! We just got done dropping the boat off. We left all of our gear and rods back at camp, but that's only about a 30-second drive, so we're doing the shuttle right now. I'm gonna go drop a truck off down low. And yeah, our plan is to float the entire, basically the entire section, so that we can pull over in every single run to swing in a snowstorm. So I think it's either going to be really good or really bad. There's nobody here today, probably because it's freaking white out, but yeah, hopefully it's a good day. It's not too cold, it's like 30 degrees. But yeah, we're gonna drop the truck off, grab our gear, get put on, and start fishing. You gonna catch something today?
Yes, sir. Gonna catch a state record. State record white sucker. Ooh! What?
I fell! Not a bad start to the float, dude. Let's go! That's nuts, dude.
Okay,
That was not a bad start.
a good 20-inch brown.
I haven't even got to the first run to swing.
That was a fatty.
You stuck him.
Yeah. That was a good
Literally
fish.
thought you hooked a rock.
Oh yeah. Just do like a video.
Yep. Nice fish, dude.
Hey, good work. There we go. It's a muskrat.
Oh wait,
It's swimming.
that was a muskrat the whole time?
What was it doing?
Bro, what?
Ooh, that was out there.
Oh my. That was so sick. Let's go! See, all of...
I'm gonna walk up.
Oh, yeah. Dude, he was fighting bigger than he is.
Yeah, I know. He's decent. Or he's not decent.
Yeah. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it went tight and then it went slack, and I was like, uh-oh. I just lifted. Not bad.
He's chunky.
Look how fat his back is.
I know. She's a clean one. She smacked it, dude. Heck yeah. Such a sick fish, dude. Feels a lot better.
My hands aren't as destroyed.
Peeper Jeebers?
Some TFCPB. TFCPBJ.
And a Coca-Cola.
Is,
Dude, the snow's actually lightening up finally.
Yeah.
That's actually awesome.
The trick is you put peanut butter on both sides.
With a fork.
Yeah, the fork is always always a thing.
Just wrecked fish.
I'm gonna get it out in the corner.
Might as well. I'll get you closer to it.
Look how chromy it is. Over.
Oh! You're leaving! I'll catch you. Buddy's going downstream. Have you ever tried to row and fish at the same time?
No.
It is unbelievably hard.
Is it hard?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm in the meat of, oh! Oh, it was a rock.
No! I was about to say, man. Literally just click record. Me.
Oh? No. You know when it goes tight and you're like, and then you just feel it like pull? I mean, I guess it could have been a fish, but. Nothing. Could have been a grab, I guess.
2 or 3.
That was a grab.
Was it?
Yeah.
Almost bottom.
No. It went like this.
It was just.
Ugh.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm on. I'm on a dink. Oh, I'm on. Not big at all. Oh yeah. I was like, wait, something don't feel right.
Oh, I got one. Good fish.
I think I got that on video.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's freaking out. Oh, yeah.
That looks like a toad.
That's a nice rainbow.
Here, you want to hand me the net?
Yeah, it's like a 19, 20.
Oh, heck yeah.
Pretty.
Heck yeah, dude.
Hey,
Good work, bro.
that's lake fish. Look how clean it is. That's a clean one.
Dude,
Look how sick that thing is.
that's dope.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like 18. He's not.
We'll take another brown, though. Dude, it is a nice brown. All right.
Hey.
Heck yeah.
You know,
It's a nice brown.
like 20?
Uh-huh. Let's go.
Ain't bad, dude.
Oh, here's the net floating at me.
That ain't bad, dude.
What a fish, bro. Let's go.
Come on, baby.
What a day, dude.
Yeah, this is dope.
What a day.
We're in double digits. We said if we hit double digits, we're good.
I think we're good.
I think it's good.
Cromer. That's a good fish.